Maiden's Tower. Welcome to Istanbul, where the Bosphorus River weaves its way through the city, and an iconic symbol rises from the waters, the Kız Kulesi, also known as the Maiden's Tower. Perched on a small islet at the meeting point of Europe and Asia, the Kız Kulesi stands as a sentinel of history, a testament to the city's enduring romance with the sea. Its silhouette against the skyline evokes a sense of mystery, drawing you into the enchanting tales that surround it. As you approach by boat, the tower's elegant form comes into focus, rising gracefully from the water like a guardian of ancient secrets. Its history spans centuries, and as you step onto the island, you'll find yourself stepping back in time. The Kız Kulesi's origin is steeped in legend. Stories of love, sacrifice, and longing have woven their way into its very foundation. One tale tells of a king who built the tower to protect his daughter from a prophecy, only for her to be bitten by a snake hidden in a basket of fruit delivered to the tower. What emotions do these stories stir within you as you stand on this historical ground? The King and His Daughter's Tale is the most well-known of the tower-related stories. The Maiden's Tower was constructed on the rocks of Salacak by the monarch, who had his daughter placed there after being informed by a fortune teller that she would die from a snake bite. He built this tower in the middle of the Bosphorus Sea in order to protect her. Climb the narrow spiral staircase, and you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of Istanbul's skyline, its minarets and domes punctuating the horizon. The blend of modernity and history that unfolds before you is a reminder of Istanbul's rich tapestry. Can you imagine the stories that this tower has witnessed over the centuries? The Kız Kulesi has played many roles throughout history: a lighthouse guiding ships, a strategic military outpost, and even a quarantine station during times of plague. Its transformation through the age reflects the city's own evolution. How does this resonate with your own experiences of change and growth? As you stand on the tower's observation deck, the gentle breeze carries with it the whispers of the past. The Bosphorus flows beneath you, connecting continents and cultures. The Kız Kulesi becomes not just a structure, but a bridge that transcends time and space. Returning to the shores of Istanbul, you carry with you the memory of the Kız Kulesi, a symbol of love, resilience, and the intertwining of history and myth. It invites you to reflect on the stories that shape our lives, the connections that bind us to the past, and the journeys that propel us toward the future. Just as the Kız Kulesi's light has guided sailors through the ages, may its presence in your memory guide you toward new horizons, illuminate your own narratives, and remind you that, like the tower itself, our stories continue to evolve with every passing moment. What stories will you create in the chapters of your own life?